Good morning, Kimberly. I'm up early this morning. The sun is just peeking over the mountains, and I wanted to send you this message about your departure from MasterChef. I didn't want to cry, so I'm not going to cry, I promise. You are amazing, my friend. Top 10. That little garden gal that cooked her butt off in the kitchen. It was such a blessing to be on Team GenX in the MasterChef kitchen with you. But more than anything, it's a blessing that I get to call you my friend. I love you, my friend. I admire you, and I can't wait to cook with you again.
Good morning, Daniela. I'm responding finally to the message that you sent me when I went home in the MasterChef kitchen. I know we've talked several times since then, and I've just kind of avoided that one because I was really still very emotional. Leaving the MasterChef kitchen, it's just sad. It's like you push yourself and you work really hard, and although I was really tired, I still was really sad to be going home. But I'm not crying today, and I'm like a normal person finally. And I just want to say that your message means a lot to me. I feel so blessed that we met in the MasterChef kitchen, and best yet, I'm really excited to be your friend for the long run. I mean, you have helped me through transitioning back to normal life after being on the show, and I love hearing what you're doing with your culinary classes and talking about MasterChef stuff still, and it's just been a really wonderful experience to have you as my friend. And yes, one day, very soon, I'm not sure where, but in some kitchen, we will be cooking together again. Have a great day, and I'll chat with you later today about whatever you want to talk about.